Hello everyone. So today we'll make a device which can measure the distance of any object in front of it from itself. Okay. And it will display that output on LCD display. So what all the things we need? First thing is display, because I want to show the output. I want to show the output or the distance on display. So we need LCD display. And other thing is I want to find the distance of any object from myself. That means I need ultrasonic distance measuring sensor. So let's get both of that. LCD, I need 16 into 2 LCD. Okay, got it. So now let's keep it here. Okay. Second thing I need is ultrasonic distance measuring sensor. So yeah, I got this also. Let's keep it here. So in front of us, we have all of our main components. We have controller, we have sensor, and we have actuator. So now let's begin the connections. So I will begin with the connection of ultrasonic distance measuring sensor. Okay. So connection might look somewhat difficult, but trust me, it is not. Yeah, it is long, and there will be many wires involved, but once you make once or twice, you will get hang of it. So first thing is ground, as usual, ground to ground. Second thing is VCC. So again VCC to VCC. Third point is V0. So using this V0, whatever numbers will show here, no, that will be determined. So okay, so let me, and that will be determined, and the brightness or clarity of that numbers will depends on the how much voltage it is getting. So what I will do to middle, so as you can see, we need some sort of voltage division. So we need voltage division, then best choice is potentiometer, correct? So I connected the potentiometer and I connected the middle wire to this. And as usual, terminal 1 will go here and terminal 2 will go to ground. So just for the sake of more clear view, I will keep it here, and because the backward pins is also ground and VCC, I will utilize this. Okay, like this, and this is VCC, so like this. Yeah, another thing is color convention, so let's do it. So this is ground, I mean it should be in black. This is VCC, better it should be in red. This is again power, so let's put it on red. This thing, let's put it on, okay, this is going to ground, so put it on black. And this one is VCC, so put it on red. Okay, so just for the color convention. After that, there is one pin named RS. Okay, so RS pin will also go to ground. Okay, sorry, my bad. RS pin will go to the pin number 12. Okay, it is not RS pin, it is like RW pin that will go to ground. Okay, so let's do the connection. So what I will do here, let's keep it yellow. Not here. I want here, and from here to pin number 12. That's it. Okay. After that, there is RW pin. RW pin will go to ground. Okay. So I connected to the ground. Now there is next pin is enable, and enable pin will go to the pin number 11. So let's connect it. And here, I meant here, and let's connect it to pin number 11. Let's give it something different color code, maybe orange. Orange, and this should be black. Now once the enable pin is connected, we need to directly jump onto the D4, this pin. Okay, so D4 will go to pin number 5. So this is pin number 5. Let's change the color code again. So let's put this one as a green. After that, there is DB3. Okay, and that pin will goes to, now let's see, D5 will go to pin number 4. Okay, so let's connect to pin number 4. So let's give it blue color, and D6 will go to pin number 3. Let's give it some other pink color. D7 will go to pin number 2. Let's give it something else like gray. And this two pin, LED anode and LED cathode. So it is important, it shows the brightness of this LED. So indeed cathode will go to ground without a doubt. So let's connect it to the ground and give it black color. And remaining one is anode. So anode we need to connect the VCC, but I would suggest not to connect directly. I will connect it to the VCC but via the some resistor. So and I will keep it 220 ohms. The similar way we done in our LED configuration videos. Okay, our connections are done. So I have written some simple sketch. So here I am using the liquid crystal library. So this is an Adafruit library. Okay, Adafruit library. So on first line, what I will do, I will print the hello world, and after that I will print 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's start the simulation. Let's see our things work or not. So let's move this potentiometer to maxima, and you will see that its brightness is coming up. Why it is not working? I see. Is anyone able to determine the problem? Problem is pretty simple. I need to connect this to this, then only it will work. Sorry, sorry. Okay, so now LCD screen is coming. Now it will work, correct? So let's see. Okay, due to weird reason, still numbers are not coming. So actually, I have done the things on purpose to show you the debugging tricks. So numbers are not coming, but display is showing everything right, correct? So where could be the problem? The problem will be on digital pin sides from where we are writing the data, correct? So if you observe closely, these two are not connected. So how it will work? It won't work. So let's connect it and let's see. And now let's check. Okay. So here still it is not working, right? So there must be some problem of loose connection. So let's see. Problem is pretty clear to me. I hope you also able to find out. This pin is not connected to anyone. How it will work? So let's connect this pin to ground. Let's see now. See, it is working perfectly fine. So let's quickly do the connection for distance measuring sensor. So for that, what I will do, I will connect power to power, ground to ground. My bad, I connected power to ground. That shouldn't be the case. And I will connect trigger to pin number, let's say 10. And echo to pin number 9. Let's give proper color quotation. So this was power, so power should be displayed in red. This was ground, ground should be displayed in black. And this signal, let's give it some color like this one, and this one green. I guess it is fine. So I have already written the code. So what I will do, I will copy paste that code here instead of my dummy code. So it is just that code only. I just incorporated the code for ultrasonic distance measuring sensor what I have explained you previously. Else everything is same. So now let's start simulations. And now I can see the distance here. So let's go out somewhat here and let's increase the distance. So distance is showing here 213 and it is 210. So 3 centimeter of error is fine. In similar way, if I reduce the distance, here in display also distance got reduced. So let's put m here, correct? In we are cm here, we are showing in centimeter, correct? So let's edit the code quickly and let's add, and let's try whether it will work or not. So let's not waste time. I will only tell you it will not work. So what I need to do, I need to print it, correct? So after this I can print it. First it will display how it will work. So whatever things it displayed, no, after that it will give some pointer and after that it will print this. So let's see now. Okay, it is showing the centimeter. So how it happens, I set it the cursor here. So once I start printing, no, it will print on each block. For example, there is a 71. So first block it prints 17, then pointer move to the next block. Then it will print 1, then 0.93. After that, it will give a space and then centimeter. So each character it is printing on each block. Okay. So I hope you find this project very interesting and helpful. And other point in this project, I shown you how to debug, how to find the problem and how to debug it. For an example, if there is no data, there is high probability that there is a problem in data transfer circuit or digital pin connection. If there is no power only, if your display is not bright, there is high probability that there is something wrong with your power. So like this you can debug. So that's it for this video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.